The Russia-Ukraine conflict has entered a volatile new phase marked by battlefield escalations and rising nuclear tensions. Russian forces claim Ukrainian troops are surrendering in Pokrovsk, which is a strategic city that could open the path to key Ukrainian strongholds. As Russia touts its nuclear-powered Burevestnik missile, the U.S. plans to resume nuclear testing for the first time since 1992 has fueled global anxiety. Here's more on the sharpening standoff between Washington and Moscow. Russian news agency TASS claims Ukrainian troops in Pokrovsk are surrendering. Moscow aims to capture all of Donbas. Ukraine holds about 10% in western Donetsk. Moscow claims it killed Ukraine's special forces deployed in Pokrovsk. Seizing Pokrovsk and Kostiantynivka lets Russia push towards Kramatorsk and Sloviansk. The Russia-Ukraine war has intensified with renewed Russian missile and drone strikes targeting Ukrainian infrastructure. Ukraine accused Russia of nuclear terrorism for attacking substations that power nuclear facilities. Russian forces have reportedly advanced in Zaporizhia and Kharkiv, signaling a fresh offensive on the Eastern Front. Russia tested its nuclear-powered Burevestnik missile on October 21, 2025, flying 14,000 kilometers in 15 hours. Putin called it a unique weapon unmatched globally.
I think we are just generally seeing a greater emphasis on nuclear weapons. We're seeing countries use nuclear threats more and more to get their way in the world. And so while I think a lot of these programs have existed for years, if not decades, the reason Putin is doing this on live TV while wearing fatigues is because he wants to send a certain message.
In a major shift, U.S. President Trump ordered the first U.S. nuclear test since 1992 to match other powers. He ruled out long-range tests, citing a submarine near Russia.
The U.S. would only return to nuclear testing if it needed to confirm the credibility of the U.S. nuclear arsenal. So the U.S. nuclear arsenal regularly goes through a strategic stockpile management assessment program. And what that really means is really smart scientists at the national labs are using supercomputers, lasers, and other really advanced technology to make sure that the nuclear arsenal is fit for purpose and that it will do what it's supposed to do. They can do this without any explosive testing.
Moscow denied that it tested a nuclear weapon, but warned of retaliation. With tensions high, Trump urged Putin to end the war, not launch missiles. Bureau Report, DD India.